We'll be right back with more Big Bang Theory on the TBS Superstation.
Tired of the same old dishes that you prepare in your own kitchen? Then come on down to Angry Benson's Cooking Competition! Angry Benson's Cooking Competition! This year I will figure out who has the best dish, or I'll go crazy! Benson's Angry! Yes, sirree, last year was a complete bust. Wooden stew? Oh, sure. I'm sure lots of people's taste buds won't feel anything after the taste of wooden splinters. Or what about this one? Cockroach chili? No thank you, buddy. Now, whoever creates the best dish for me to taste will win $1,000! Hey! Get those numbers out of my face! So you come on down to Angry Benson's Cooking Competition right now, or you're fired! Benson is real mad. Don't bring your kids.
Now this is one television program that I gotta see. Oh, Bugfy Bunny! Oh, brother, here comes trouble. What's up, Doc? Why would you take a gander at this? 2 tickets to a competition, and right out of the gate I thought about you, Bugfy pal. Oh boy. So what do you say? Let's get going. Sorry, Daffy, but no thanks. I've got this 10-episode television series to get through on HBO Max. Porky recommended it. He thought that the plot was quite intriguing and the characters have their funny moments, some of which even got celebrity cast members like Joey Turner, William Grubb, and even Tim Allen. Oh boy. Very well, but remember, you twisted my arm. So let me get this straight, Daffy. You're telling me I was dragged all the way to Benson's Park, basically for the sake of a family recipe cook-off?
Hey there, all you kooky chefs out there. Welcome to Angry Benson's Cooking Competition. Contestants, ready your ingredients so we can start the show. Otherwise, Benson might be seething with rage.
You know, I wonder what's taking that screwball duck so long. I made it. Well, can somebody at least offer me a grill so I can cook? Now that's the real knee slapper right there. But in all honesty, though, this is ridiculous!
Alright, boys, here's how things are gonna go down. When me and Rigby say ready, set, go, the both of you start fixing up your own family recipes like there's no tomorrow. And make sure that the family recipes are well prepared as much as you can before the timer runs out. You got that?
Sure thing, Doc. Whatever you say.
Well, in that case, get ready, get set, go!
A meal fit for a king, I shall say. Trouble is, this doesn't seem, well, very healthy to me. Don't worry about it, Buster. I'm sure the judge will like my family secret recipe. Speak of the devil.
Now this seems very convincing. Mind if I have a taste?
What the heck?
Wow. Now that was amazing. Who knew you came up with a family secret recipe like this? Now I gotta say, I'm impressed. Well, I think we all know who the winner is. Congratulations, Mr. Bunny.
You're despicable.